Borage, Borago officinalis, commonly known as starflower, is a versatile herb renowned for its vibrant blue star-shaped flowers and numerous medicinal properties. Native to the Mediterranean region, this hardy plant has found a place in gardens and herbal practices worldwide. Borage is celebrated not only for its culinary uses, but also for its extensive therapeutic benefits, ranging from hormonal regulation to respiratory health. This Materia Medica will cover identification, optimal growing conditions, edible and medicinal uses of borage, along with detailed methods of preparation for various health conditions. Identification. Borage is a robust annual herb characterized by its hairy stems and leaves. The plant typically grows to a height of 1 to 2 feet. Its most distinctive feature is its star-shaped flowers, which are usually bright blue but can occasionally be pink or white. The leaves are large, oval, and covered with fine hairs, giving them a rough texture. The entire plant exudes a cucumber-like fragrance, which makes it easily identifiable in a garden setting. Optimal growing conditions. Borage thrives in well-drained soil with a neutral pH, although it is quite adaptable and can grow in poorer soils as well. It prefers full sun but can tolerate partial shade. Borage is known for its ability to attract pollinators, making it a valuable addition to any garden. It can grow in various climates but performs best in temperate regions. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods, but the plant is relatively drought-tolerant once established. Edible uses. Borage leaves and flowers are both edible. The leaves, with their refreshing cucumber flavor, can be used in salads, soups, and beverages. They can also be cooked similarly to spinach. The flowers, besides adding a decorative touch to dishes, can be candied or used to infuse drinks, adding a mild, sweet flavor. Borage seeds are the source of borage oil, which is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an essential fatty acid. Medicinal uses and preparation methods. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Borage is a powerful tool to have in your apothecary, and medicinal herbs with strong therapeutic effects often come with a higher risk of adverse effects if not used correctly. Hormonal regulation, PMS, and menstrual issues. Borage oil, derived from the seeds, is rich in GLA, which helps regulate hormones and alleviate PMS and menstrual discomfort. Method. Daily supplementation with borage, oil capsules work well as recommended. Stress and HPA dysfunction, adrenal fatigue. Borage acts as an adaptogen, helping the body to manage stress and support adrenal function. Method. Borage tea made from dried leaves and flowers can be consumed daily to reduce stress and support the adrenal glands. Antioxidant properties. The high antioxidant content in borage helps protect the body from oxidative stress. Method. Fresh borage leaves and flowers can be added to salads or smoothies to benefit from their antioxidant properties. Digestive issues and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Borage has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the digestive tract. Method. Borage tea or an infusion can help alleviate symptoms of IBS and other digestive issues. Pneumonia, mouth ulcers, and sore throats. Borage possesses anti-inflammatory and mucilaginous properties, making it effective in soothing respiratory and oral conditions. Method. A borage infusion can be used as a gargle for sore throats and mouth ulcers, or consumed as a tea for respiratory conditions, UTI, kidney infections, and diuretic effects. Borage acts as a mild diuretic. It makes you urinate more, promoting urine flow and helping to treat UTIs and kidney infections. Method. Borage tea or tincture can be taken regularly to support urinary tract health, brain protection, and lowering blood pressure. The anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects of borage support brain health and help lower blood pressure. Method. Borage oil supplements or tea can be included in the diet for these benefits. Allergies and reducing fevers. Borage's anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties make it useful for managing allergies and reducing fevers. Method. Borage tea or tincture can be used during allergy seasons or when experiencing a fever, arthritis, and gout. The anti-inflammatory effects of GLA in borage oil help manage arthritis and gout symptoms. Method: Borage oil capsules taken daily can reduce inflammation and pain associated with these conditions. Skin infections, wounds, rashes, and bleeding gums. Borage oil can be applied topically to treat skin conditions and heal wounds. Method: A salve made from borage oil can be used on affected areas. Borage tea can also be used as a mouth rinse for bleeding gums. Macular degeneration. The antioxidant properties of borage support eye health and protect against macular degeneration. Method: Regular consumption of borage in diet or as a supplement can help maintain eye health. Improving lactation in nursing mothers. Borage is a traditional galactagogue, helping to increase milk supply in nursing mothers. Method: Borage tea or capsules can be taken to enhance lactation. Treating hangovers. Borage is believed to help alleviate hangover symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Method: A tea or infusion made from borage leaves and flowers can be consumed after alcohol intake. Drinking the tea before a night out that you know will involve alcohol intake can also help stave off a hangover. Harvesting. Borage leaves can be harvested once the plant is well established, ideally before flowering to ensure the best flavor. Flowers should be picked when fully open. Both leaves and flowers can be used fresh or dried for later use. Borage seeds are harvested from the mature pods and can be pressed to extract the oil. Safety and warnings. While borage offers numerous health benefits, it contains small amounts of pyrrolizidine alkaloids, PAs, which can be toxic to the liver in large quantities. Healthy individuals can safely use borage in moderation, but those with liver disease, pregnant women, and individuals with schizophrenia or epilepsy should avoid it due to potential risks. Borage is a multifaceted herb with a wide range of culinary and medicinal uses. Its ability to thrive in various conditions makes it an accessible plant for many gardeners. From regulating hormones and reducing stress to treating skin infections and improving lactation, borage offers numerous health benefits. However, it is essential to use borage responsibly and be aware of its potential toxicity in certain conditions. With proper use, borage can be a valuable addition to natural health practices.